How to add flap animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a flap animation, just head over and then select in here a button or an image or a text. I have in here this paragraph, so let me head over and then click onto this particular paragraph. From in there, open in here the inspector icon and then go right here to the animations and effects. Now what you can do is you can expand in here this loop and then click onto this add option. So you can see in here the flap icon onto the actual animation itself. So make sure to click on it and it should be able to be applied into this particular text. And here is a preview of how that will look like. Really stunning. Once you're done, you can head over and publish the changes that you have made to this particular element. So that's how you add flap animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.